Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how you would fill your gas tank. So first we'll go on the driver's side. Down the floor you should see a lever here that's going to release that safety cover. So we'll pull that, and then from there we'll go to the passenger side. And over here, now this cover is loose, so we'll open this up, and then you'll just unscrew this. Double check you've got the right type of petrol or gas at your gas station here, or if you're with a gas can. But from here you just fill as needed. For this particular model I'm at, I would probably use like 87 grade, something like that, just a regular unleaded. But we'll fill this up as needed. Then you screw this back on nice and tight. Double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here. But when you're ready, and this is that little kind of button that released when I pulled that lever on the inside of the car, if you can see it. But when you're done, just push this closed again, and now it's locked again. So to get back in here, we would have to pull that lever again. But I hope this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.